All right, I came in the studio and my light that I used to soften up my clay was burned out. So it's going to take a while for that to get warmed up to where I can use the clay because the studio is kind of cool this morning. Man, I'll tell you, when the clay gets cold, it takes forever to get it warmed up enough to work with. And right now it's not warmed up at all. All I can do is just try to take little bits of clay and put them on as I soften them in my hands. Looks like a jumbled pile of mess. Whoop, I better get the camera centered. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm just, like I said, I'm just blocking in the features right now. And it's starting to take shape. And slow but sure. I wouldn't give but to have the eyes I had when I was about 30 years old, younger. The reason I'm starting with the face is because if the face don't work out, none of it will. I'm trying to show a strength of character. Just going to double check the distance from the front of the face to the beginning of the ear. I don't want one ear further forward than the other ear. This is just not the finished ear, of course. It's just a slapped on indication of where the ear is going to go. That's just sort of orients my vision of the face, so I can get to feel how this is going to work out. Also working on the neck a little bit too. Being mindful that I'm going to have a hat on his head as well. Well, I think I'm going to quit for now. Come back tomorrow, look at it with fresh eyes, and finish off the head. I still got his uniform to put on and all that other stuff, but that's going to come after I get that face to where I like it. I'm happy the way it's turning out. It's working, I think. But like I said, I'll wait till tomorrow and I'll just take a fresh look at it, and I'll decide at that point whether I continue or redo. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.